to learn how to run your React app on your mobile phone without publishing it to Play Store, then you need Android Studio. So get the latest version of Android Studio online or click the link in the description. So after installing Android Studio, open your project folder. So click on the three bars, go to File, go to Open, then look for your app folder. So we saved it as My App, so it's this one. Then click on Android, the Android folder of your app, then click OK, then this window. So I used Vite and React to make my app. I don't know what you used, but this should work for you. So now let's connect our phone to our laptop via USB or Type-C to run the app on the phone. So you see that after I connect our phone to our laptop, we have to go to Settings and scroll down to About Phone, then Software Information, look for Build Number, then click on it 7 times to enable developer options. Then they'll ask for your password, and developer mode has been turned on. So go back. When you scroll down, you should see developer options. Now scroll down and go to the debugging section and enable USB debugging. Right, click OK. Now a message has appeared. This computer's RSA key fingerprint. You don't need to see this, but you should click allow when it pops up on your phone. Now if you look over to Android Studio, you can see that the name of our phone has appeared. So we just click run, and the app has installed successfully. So this is our app, right? So this is the app, right? So it's over here. When we click it, it runs. So if you want to check the app data, you can go back to Settings, scroll down, go to Apps, then scroll down to your app name, to where your app is. So My App, and it's only 4.3 megabytes. That's the size, 4.38 megabytes. So this will tell you the app data, and you can also uninstall it. So the app has been uninstalled. If you want to learn how to change the logo of your app, watch this video.